Oh, look at that. Look at that. Well, okay. Not bad. Not bad. And it just continues to go up. Can we pass 4,400? Can we pass 4? Look at that. What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and this is a super exciting video. Now, I am late to this game, right? So this thing has been out for a while now. A while.
Ooh, let me have some of that Cool Whip. Cool Whip? Cool Whip, yeah.
In fact, I believe it's been 2 years since this launched. And I'm just now getting one. Because as most of you should know, the Pixel 8 Pro is my current favorite device. I friggin' love the thing. And I use wired charging because it gets 30 watts. It uses PPS to get those 30 watts. Or you can use a fixed voltage. Now, I did order this from Best Buy. But yeah, like I said, I'm about 2 years late to making this video, but we're here. It's now. I have it. So, super fast wireless charging. Pixel Buds. In fact, I gotta go get my Pixel Buds. All right, so I don't remember which Pixel unboxing it was. I can't even right now.
Run!
Then this is something also extra they didn't have to do, is a fast wireless charger. But Google sent over the Pixel charging stand, and my wife has been using this on her nightstand, and she really enjoys it. And one of the cool things about it is it adds extra features to your device in a way. So it's been super cool. This is the upgrade to it. I may or may not get a second one. We don't know. We'll see. Here's some information on the back of it. 23 watts of wireless charging sounds pretty ridiculous. It looks like this one was manufactured February of 2022, so literally over 2 years ago. All right, let's open it up. I'm excited. I want to compare it to the old one. I'm sad that it's taken me this long to do this, but I guess the most important thing is I have it now, and it literally tells you right here how to open it, and I'm just failing. All right. So, wow, that's a lot chunkier, obviously, because it's got that fan, and it charges faster. Oh, and the port comes out the back instead of, like, here, and then it travels under here. If you got a big fat cable, it cannot lie. It just doesn't fit. I mean, that's a better design. You got this little peel, nice. Apparently, there is a fan in here to keep this thing cool. So, interesting how the bases are different. Like this one has a little lip here, goes up, and this one not so much. All right, convenient little pull tab, some instructions. What does it come with here? So it comes with a 30-watt charger, and interestingly, I do not have their 30-watt charger. I don't. So this is my first one. It also comes with a cable, but I'm going to keep that cable. Screw it. All right, so let's open up the cable as well. Might as well use everything that it came with for the video. I want to see how fast it can charge my Pixel 8 Pro. It says 23 watts. That's actually pretty nutty. And there are settings you can enable to charge it slower or faster. All right, we also have this little watt reader thing here. We're going to plug in this. And then we're going to plug up our phone. And we're nerds, so we want all the data possible. So right away, connecting it, it's just chilling at 5 volts, being all cool. And then if we take our phone and put our phone on there, so it's charging. Oh, wow. So if you look at the charger there, that is some pretty cool freaking data there, dude. Data. It shows a fixed voltage of 9 volts up to 3 amps to get 27 watts. We're going to keep an eye on that. In the meantime, you can just look at this number here. This is how much power it's coming from the wall. So one of the cool things about the Pixel stand is this. We'll do next. Ooh, I am barely... I mean, I didn't even notice it right away until I stopped talking, and I literally just was silent setting it up for a second. I can hear that little fan in there. It is such a nice sound. I'm going to put my microphone next to it and let you hear it really close. One of the really cool things is you can enable Do Not Disturb. So you put this phone on the stand next to your bed, and now you have Do Not Disturb on. And wake up with an alarm? Absolutely. Pixel charging stand is optimized based on your usage. You can change how Pixel Stand charges your phone at any time. Next. So here's where you can choose what you want to do. So optimized based on your usage. Max charges as rapidly as possible. Fan may be louder. Quiet minimizes noise by limiting fan speed. Phone may charge slower. Now look at that. We're charging at 13 watts. I'm going to go ahead and change that. Oh, I definitely heard a change in the tone of the fan. Not the tone, but the volume. The tone is still the same, actually. It's actually really cool because I can actually feel the air around this thing. Like, that fan is actually doing a great job. This app, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Just search that word right there. And wow, that's a very good speed for wireless charging. At the very bottom of the screen, it says that my phone is currently charging wirelessly, and we are drawing 15 watts from the wall. This photo frame thing is really cool, so it's just going to keep displaying photos while it's on this thing. That's super freaking cool. And then when your alarm happens, it gradually like brightens the screen and raises the volume and does a bunch of really cool stuff. So that's super freaking cool as well. Oh my freaking gosh, look at this freaking photo. Look at this freaking photo. It's the HTC Evo 3D. Or no, Evo 4G LTE. That's the Evo 4G LTE, man. All right, so now if we plug up that same exact cable and wall adapter to the old Pixel stand here. So interesting, it wants me to set up the Pixel stand. All right, and interestingly enough, this old thing from, I don't even remember what phone this came with, but Google sent me a care package that had a new Pixel in it and this. And look at that. We're charging at 13 watts wireless. That's not bad. I didn't realize this thing was actually like decently fast. And then here it says charging wirelessly. It said the time remaining, but it went away. 1 hour, 47 minutes until full. See, look at that. That's actually like, I don't know what the point of the new one is. Like, what's the point of the new one? Let's connect it directly without a tester. And let's take off my case, because that might also possibly have something to do with it. Oh, okay, so that's picking up a little bit there. All right, okay, so that's a better speed. Look at that. Would you look at it? Would you look at it? The fan got louder. Like, I could hear the fan kick up. It got louder. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Well, okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Wow. And it just continues to go up. All right. So we were literally hitting the maximum that can do. So I want to change things up. And what if you increase the power? Like, what if you put in a charger that can theoretically do more? Okay, so it also went to PD 27 watts, 9 volts, 3 amps to get the 27 watts, so no change there. Oh, what? Okay. I was literally zooming out and that changed. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So under other devices, I see Pixel Stand 2, and there you go. So that's how you get to the settings. I was wondering. So charging mode, I have it set to max. And as you can see, we're at 33, 34. We're at 20 volts, 1 amp to get that speed of 20 watts. This is actually crazy. Dude, did you see that? Dude, there was 25. I freaking saw 25. This is super freaking cool. Absolutely love this thing so far. I might even buy a second one because my wife and I both have Pixels, and That's crazy fast charging speeds, actually. Okay, so I literally stepped away to change the batteries out in my microphone because they were low, and I saw freaking 30 watts on there. I saw 30 watts on there. And according to this, 4,720 is the peak. And we're consistently staying in the 27 watt range for this thing, like 25 to 27. That's freaking crazy. So I went back to the original charger. I want to see about these Pixel Buds. I'll just set them up in there. And I can see that we are currently changing power. So 4 watts right now going into this little guy. That's pretty freaking cool, dude. Look at that. It's just chilling at 0. It's like waiting for something to happen. And then you put the Pixel Buds in, and boom, it's sees an increase of 4 watts, which is pretty cool because if you plug this in wired, it's just not very fast in the first place. And then considering earlier our tests were with the case and the case was slowing things down, let's go ahead and give this thing a fair chance. And okay, yeah, so I was seeing over 30 with the new one, and this one has been 13. So yeah, it's safe to say that the new one is more than twice as fast as this guy. Plus we saw speeds over 4,000, and this one, the maximum is 1740. So we'll just quickly do nothing but switch over the wireless charging. And look at that. It's like, see ya. Bye, 1700. All right, so once it got to like 2770, I heard the fans kick up inside it. Or the fan. I think it's just one. And we're chilling at over 4,000 now. Look at that. And you can get a little bit more if you use a more powerful charger. 4,400, 4,500. I'm curious if the fans kick up at 2,700 again. Oh, at 2,770, once again, the fans kicked up. So can we pass 4,400? Can we pass 4? Look at that. All right, that about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving a rating below. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.